So this is a very simple character which is pronounced wen. Wen in the fourth tone, and it means to ask. To ask. And it can be used as a verb. For instance, 我问你 means like let me ask you a question, or I'm asking you. And then it can be used in many nouns where it has to do something with asking or questions. For instance, in the very frequent word 问题, which means either a question or a problem, depending on the context that you use it in. It is again a very typical phono-semantic compound, which means that one part of the character is going to point to its sound and another part is going to point to its meaning. So the part of the character pointing to its sound is this outside part over here, which is slightly not that regular because it's pronounced men, and it means door, and it's pointing to the sound of the character. As you can see, this is wen and this is men, and it's not that regular because usually the phonetic elements or the elements of characters that are pointing to the sound of the or the pronunciation of the character are usually situated on the right side. It's not a very regular law because or a rule because as you can see in this case, the phonetic element is on the outside, then you have phonetic elements on the left side of characters, on the bottom of characters, on top of the characters, and so on. But I would say about 80% of the phonetic elements, if we have a character that has a phono-semantic compound, the phonetic element is going to be on the right side. In this case, it is on the, I would say on the, you can call this on the outside of the character. And the second element, the element that is pointing to the sound of the character, to the meaning of the character, is this inside element over here, which is pronounced ko, and it's a mouth. It's not a picture of a mouth, it's just something that was chosen to represent the mouth. And so in this case, it's clearly pointing to the meaning of the character, but this element, ko, is very versatile. You can find it in characters where it points to the meaning of the character, and then you can find it in characters where it points to the sound of the character. So in this case, it is pointing to the meaning. Now the character that you can see on the screen over here is the traditional version. The simplified version of the character is written like this. So the men, the door, is simplified into three very simple strokes. Let me show you how to write this character. Really very easy. You start and finish the door radical, or the door element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is one long stroke. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let me do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. When it comes to the simplified character, the dot comes first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so that's it for this presentation. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.